Hello to you all. Welcome to Riziki's kitchen. It's a new week, a new menu. Here I will be showing you how I cook pondu, which is cassava leaves. So I'm going to start boiling water, just a little bit water. And this is a pondu I'm going to cook today. This will be very special one because I will be showing you how I made it into a different way. So if you watched my preview video, you will notice what has changed into this video for today. So I'm gonna blend it after washing, but hey, just feel free. You can cook a pondu without washing it. This is my way I like to do it. So I'm gonna blend it. This is also optional. You really don't have to blend pondu. You can just put it straight in the pot. So after blending pondu, I'm going to transfer it into boiling water. Just making my little one comfortable so I can continue with my video. Hey, please guys, your support is really needed. Hey, how can you watch a video, someone's video from the beginning to the end, and you know you haven't subscribed? Hey, please do so. Thank you. This is smoked fish. I think my people who are from Ghana, they will know which fish it is. If I see the name, it says Oheneba. I don't know if that's how they call it, but I really love it. This one, it's homemade marinade, and this is very easy when it's already made, and just put it in there and you are done. I'm going to wash and take off all bones because the pondu I'm making, my kids really love pondu with rice. So that's why I have to make sure there is no bones inside. So when I finished washing and take all bones out, it's time to go and mix fish and the pondu together. This is palm oil, and the next one will be blended peanut, and this one also is seasoning salt. I will not put salt because I already put seasoning salt is enough. And the last one was Maggi sauce, guys. I love it. So I didn't use Maggi cubes, but I used Maggi sauce. Just need to make my mouth melt a little bit, but I was a little disappointed with the sugar cane I bought. Imagine this is for $5, guys, and it was all good inside. But yeah, it was so sweet and I loved it. So now back on what we are making. Let's check our pondu if it's ready. Yeah, just give it a stir, and the way I'm testing it, it's the way my mom does, and that is how she will feel if there is a salt. And I really love it, and I'm trying to do the same thing, guys. This is hot pepper, guys, and I can no mix it that hard because I don't want it to be spicy. Hey, kids will really be like, what did you put inside? So I was so careful about that. And now, hey, look at this. It's my rice time, guys. It's my rice time. I can't wait. I can't wait. So yeah. Here I started eating with a fork, but guys, well, and then I took a spoon, but it's fine. And so lastly, I just have to eat with my hand, which was, yeah, okay. And I enjoyed it. So yeah, it was so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. And please do not forget to subscribe on this channel. And I will really appreciate that. Bye bye.